William Samoei Arap Ruto was born on December 21st, 1966 in Kamaguthi, Uasin Gishu County in Kenya's Rift Valley region. He grew up in a humble rural setting in a Christian family. His whole life was characterized by a deep involvement in both academics and church activities. He attended Kerotet Primary School before joining Wareng Secondary School for his O levels and later Kapsabet Boys High School for his A level education. Ruto went on to enroll at the University of Nairobi, where he earned a Bachelor of Science degree in Botany and Zoology. Later, while serving in government, he pursued further studies, obtaining a master's and eventually a PhD in plant ecology. For the same university, his academic discipline and the pursuit of education has often been cited as an example of hard work. Ruto's political journey began in the early 1990s during the final years of the single-party rule in Kenya. He became active in the Youth for KANU 92 movement, a youth lobby group formed to campaign for the re-election of then President Daniel Arap Moi. Although the group was later disbanded, the networks and experience Ruto gained from this period gave him his first major exposure to national politics. In 1997, Ruto contested and won the parliamentary seat for Eldoret North under the ruling of KANU. His victory marked the beginning of a political career that could see him rise steadily through Kenya's political hierarchy. After his elections as MP, Ruto quickly became a prominent figure in parliament and within KANU. He was appointed to several government positions, including Assistant Minister of Home Affairs. By 2002, as a President Moi prepared to retire, Ruto supported Uhuru Kenyatta as a KANU's presidential candidate. However, the party lost to Mwai Kibaki of the National Rainbow Coalition, marking a shift in Kenya's political landscape. During the 2005 constitutional referendum, Ruto joined other politicians who opposed Kibaki proposed draft constitution, formed the new camp known as the Orange Democratic Movement (ODM). The group later evolved into a major political party. In the 2007 general election, Ruto supported ODM leader Raila Odinga. The disputed election led to widespread violence, which resulted in a power-sharing agreement between Kibaki and Odinga in 2008. As part of the coalition government, Ruto was appointed Minister of Agriculture, later serving briefly as a Minister of Higher Education, Science and Technology. Following the 2007-2008 post-election violence, the International Criminal Court (ICC) indicated 6 prominent Kenyans, among them William Ruto, was alleged crimes against humanity. He maintained his innocence throughout the proceedings. After a lengthy legal process, the ICC dropped the charges against him in 2016, citing insufficient evidence. Despite the challenges, Ruto remained politically active and resilient. In 2013, he teamed up with Uhuru Kenyatta to form the Jubilee Alliance, which successfully won the presidential election. Ruto became a deputy president of Kenya, a position he held from 2013 to 2022. As a deputy president, Ruto played a major role in the government, initially working closely with President Kenyatta to implement development projects under the Jubilee government. Big Four agenda, focusing on manufacturing, affordable housing, healthy care, and food security. However, after the 2018 political reconciliation, popularly known as the handshake between President Kenyatta and the opposition leader Raila Odinga, the relationship between Kenyatta and Ruto became strained. Ruto increasingly operated independently, promoting his own political movement, the United Democratic Alliance (UDA), under the slogan bottom-up economic model, focusing on empowering low-income earners and small businesses. In August 2022, William Ruto contested the presidential election as the UDA candidate under the Kenya Kwanza, meaning Kenya First coalition. He faced Raila Odinga, who at the backing of outgoing President Uhuru Kenyatta. Ruto won with 50.49% of the vote, narrow surpassing the constitutional threshold for an outright victory. On September 13, 2022, William Ruto was sworn in as the fifth President of the Republic of Kenya. He vowed to prioritize economic transformation, support small-scale enterprises, and uphold democratic governance. William Ruto is married to Rachel Chepet Ruto, now known as the First Lady Rachel Ruto. They met while studying at the University of Nairobi, has several children together. Rachel Ruto is known for her charitable work, particularly in women empowering and economic sustainability initiatives. A deeply religious man, Ruto is an active member of the evangelical Christian community and often attributes his success to faith and hard work. President Ruto is widely viewed as a self-made politician, celebrated for rising from humble beginnings as a chicken seller to the highest office in Kenya. His leadership style emphasizes grassroots mobilization, economic empowerment, and hustle nation narrative, positioning himself as a champion of ordinary citizens. While his presidency continues to attract both praise and criticism, particularly on the issue of the governance, the economy, and the political